Hey guys, how you doing? This is Julian Lee, and in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a product called Qliker, right? This is an official Qliker review, and the reason why I'm checking out and reviewing this particular product is because specifically this. I've been using Clickmagick for quite some time from the BizUp space to track my solo ad and all the different traffic that I've run. I got some solo ad coaching back in 2016 with my coaches, and I kind of got out of the game of solo ad coaching for a period of time as some changes happened in my life. But I'm getting back into the solo ad game again, and because of that, I got myself a new coach, Wayne Crow. Big shout out to you, brother. And one thing I will say is this, guys. If you've been using Clickmagick and you're in the solo game, you've seen this particular message. This is the latest news, right? So we've all seen this message. You're logging to Clickmagick. I still have my account active right now, and boom, these are the changes they're talking about. And we're being held accountable for people, well, for who we send the traffic to. Right, because they're going to different, maybe a different opt-in page, that type of thing. So because of that, I want to make sure that I put my business in position to be able to adjust in case there's any issues as Clickmagick starts to clamp down on things. All right, so of course that brings me to the review for Qliker. All right, so let me jump over there real quick, guys. I want to show you guys what it looks like. But if you've been using Clickmagick for any period of time, this is going to look extremely. This is going to be extremely simple for you to actually use. All right, now my link is in the description field. If you want to take a free trial, go ahead and check that out. But let me go ahead and actually sign in and show you. I just picked up my paid account earlier today. And as I looked through this thing, I was like, man, this is going to be easy for me to set up, and really because it is so similar as far as the layout. So a few things here and there, a little bit different, yes. But overall, guys, if you've used Clickmagick for any period of time, this is going to be so damn easy for you, okay? Check this out, guys. Of course, you've got the domain manager, right? You could actually repoint your domain by your CNAMEs. You got a group manager, very similar, right? You got everything there. I've already got actually a couple groups I've already set up in there. You've got your rotator. I think I did set one up earlier, but let's just set one up now. We'll just call this one, actually let's set up a quick one. We'll just call this test. We'll call it test 1, right? I can set up make that a spillover. I got my backup URL. That's right there. Of course, I know Clickmagick had to randomize. It seems to have a real time. I kind of like that. I'm just going to select that just for the case, for the case of this video. I could clone the link if I want. I could obviously do some more things there with title description if necessary. My backup link in this case could be google.com just for the purposes of this particular video, right? I click save there, and there it goes. My rotator is set up. Actually, let me take it out of here. It's another all rotators group, and you can see it's right there. And right there, you can see that you can add URLs right there at the side, guys, okay? You got a traffic quality link right there. Let me go over the click section real quick. These are the link clicks. Let's go ahead and bring one up. And let's just call this one test 1 as well. And primary link, we'll make it go to facebook.com, for instance. Of course, you got split testing button right there. And you could add all these split tests right there. Boom, boom, boom. You could change the percentages right there. Pretty straightforward, guys, all right? You can obviously cloak your link right there. You've got your advanced section there as well, right? So you got you dropping your traffic costs, your cost per click or total, your countries there. You could obviously have your geo targeting right there. No big deal. That's pretty straightforward. You've got all the different mobile devices there. Your backup URL, of course, for that main link, very similar. You got your filtering, very similar again. You could block by URLs there. That's interesting. Password, you can actually password protect that and max the links. And again, you got your sections to drop your pixels in there, okay? So this is really interesting, guys, because as I'm looking at this thing, this looks so easy to use. I mean, I was only in here for a few minutes. I was like, man, I got to cut a video because, again, the alarm is out, right, by Clickmagick. So when I heard about Qliker, I said, let me jump in here and set up an account just in case, because I'm just going to finish up a few things with my particular funnel so I can start, sending some traffic and building up my solo ad business again. So, guys, this is a quick video. Just so you know, again, if you got any questions, please feel free to hit me up. Let me know what you think of this video. But of course, my link is right there in the description field. So if you felt you got some value from this quick little tutorial on Qliker, click the link below. Go ahead and set up your account. You can actually get a free account. And of course, I'll be sharing this on my Facebook page as well. You'll see my social sites below. So of course, if you feel like you want to connect with me, by all means, I'm here for you. This is Julian Lee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on Qliker, this video review. And I will see you guys in the next video. Salute. Thanks for coming again and checking out my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.